When students submit the short answer questions, then you can go around and grade it out as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto my classwork section where I have my short answer question. And if I were to go around and click on it, then you can see that one student has turned this in. So you can go around and view out the responses right here, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. And this is set as 100 points. So if I were to go around over here and click on the score section, then what I can do is I can simply go around and add in a score. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say 85 right here, just like this, and then the marks will be saved right here, just like this, and the marks is assigned as a draft, as you can see right here. So what you can do is you can go around onto this particular student right here, just like this, and the mark is saved and it's turned in, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can simply go around and select this and return this out to the student right here. And you can add in a private comment saying that this is a great idea, but can be a bit better. But usually for these type of questions you don't mark, but this is what you can do for marking, as you can see. And then you can return it out right here. And what happens is that the comment will be sent and the marks will be sent to the student as well, just like this. So now the student knows that he or she got 85 out of 100 for this particular question right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is 100 unit marks right here, or you can go around over here and change around the total marks as you like as well and update it. But I'm just going to go around and keep it 100, which is the default in its value. So that is how you can go around and grade out the short answer question. And from the student view right here, now you also get to see the marks over here, as you can see on the your answer section, just like this. So that is how you can grade the submitted short answer question as a teacher inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.